Welcome to our channel where we simplify your banking challenges and help you fix Georgia's own credit union transfer issues effortlessly. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide to resolving transfer issues with Georgia's own credit union. Whether you are facing delays, failed transactions, or other transfer problems, this comprehensive guide will provide you with practical solutions you can apply immediately. First, verify your account details. Incorrect information is the most common reason transfers fail. Double-check the recipient's account number, routing number, and any other required info to ensure accuracy. Second, check your available balance. Insufficient funds can prevent a transfer from going through. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the transfer amount plus any fees. Third, review transfer limits and restrictions. Georgia's own credit union may have daily or monthly limits on transfers. Understanding these limits can help you avoid automatic rejections. Next, use the official mobile app or website securely. Sometimes, transfer failures happen due to technical glitches or outdated app versions. Update your app or try a different device or browser to see if the problem persists. If the transfer is still unsuccessful, wait and retry after some time. Network problems or server maintenance can temporarily interrupt transfer services. Allow a little time before attempting again. Another helpful step is to contact customer service directly. Georgia's own credit union offers multiple support channels, including phone, email, and live chat. Explain your issue clearly and provide any error codes or messages you received. Customer service representatives can often identify and fix issues on their end. Additionally, ensure your account is in good standing. Sometimes holds or restrictions due to account activity or compliance issues can block transfers. Reviewing your account status and resolving any alerts will help. You can also try alternative transfer methods supported by the credit union, such as wire transfers or ACH payments, if standard transfers fail consistently. Understanding and following the credit union's transfer policies is vital. Familiarize yourself with the terms of service, cut-off times for transactions, and any special steps required for certain types of transfers. Lastly, keep a record of all transfer attempts, errors, and communications with customer support. Documentation can help if you need to escalate the issue or seek further assistance. Following these steps methodically should resolve most transfer issues with Georgia's own credit union promptly and with minimal hassle. If you stay patient and organized, your money should reach the intended recipient smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more useful content.